Hello guys, so in this short video I want to show you how to get ton for free from your Tonkeeper without making any deposits, and this ton can be used for your testnet transaction for gas fee and also to withdraw at any point in time. Kindly like, share and subscribe so I can keep on doing more of this video for you for your own benefit. Alright, let's go guys. So first thing first, you come to this place where you are seeing settings here. Can you see it guys? You click on settings, I've clicked on settings, then you come down here, you come down, you scroll down. Now here where you can see the Tonkeeper image. You click on Tonkeeper image here, you click on it. I have clicked on Tonkeeper image. So the next step is that you come to this place where you are seeing blur. This your blur session must be on. My own is on already. If it's not on, you have to power it on. I have powered it on now. My blur has been on. That's very important for you. Hope you can get this step guys. So let's go back. Then where you are seeing wallet here, you click on wallet. Then you come down here, you see add wallet. Then you click on add wallet. Then you are seeing new wallet. You see import wallet, you see watch account, you see testnet account. So you click on testnet account. I click on testnet account. Then here you have to put your 24 secret phrase here, your 24 words. You have to put it here so that you can import the wallet. So let me do that now. Let me do it and I will get back to this video once I have done that. So I've entered my recovery phrase and the wallet has been added. Let me customize the wallet now. Let me call it Kodak. Okay, so continue. Then let me enter my passcode. So the wallet has been created now. So the next step is that you have to click on here. You click on receive here. This receive, you click on it. You click on receive. Then you click on copy to copy your ton address here. So after this, you have to go to our Telegram app. Let's go to our Telegram app. So this is our Telegram app. Then you search for test giver ton bot. Okay, so you can see the one here that has over 90,000 users. You click on it. You click on this one that has this over 90,000 users. I have clicked on it. So what you are seeing in this image here, you click that thing, is a 6 character. You click on it and it will give you what's supposed to click. You type that number that you are seeing in this image, you type it here. Once you have typed it here, I have seen my own, so I have typed it here now. Then you now paste the ton address that you copy from your Tonkeeper. You come here and paste it here. I'm pasting my own now. Then you click on send. Then you now go back to your Tonkeeper to go and check. You'll be given 2 ton instantly. So I click on send. Then I go back to my Tonkeeper now. So guys, this is my Tonkeeper and this 2 ton has been given to me, has been credited to my Tonkeeper without making any deposit on this app at all. This ton can be used for your gas fee, for different Telegram projects, for your testing transaction, can also be withdrawn also. So that's it guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe so I can keep bringing more of this video to your way. Thanks for watching. I remain your friend. Thank you.